Across emails, Teams messages, and hallway conversations, somewhere along the way, no one knows who asked or who approved. No visibility on who requested what. No accountability on who's responsible. No SLA. So, requests sit and wait, and no one's measuring how long. Let's show you how a standard hardware replacement request flows through ServiceNow. Mobiz implemented the full request lifecycle, from submission through approval and fulfillment to automated notification. Basic tools, real governance. The employee opens the ServiceNow portal and fills in a hardware replacement form. Every detail is captured automatically. Requester, date, device type, submit. And a confirmation notification is sent immediately. The manager gets a clear approval task. It's obvious who needs to act and by when. One click, approved. The request moves to IT fulfillment, where the task runs against an SLA timer. The OLA tracks internal team performance, how many requests were delayed, and what the average resolution time is. That's your data for continuous improvement. With ServiceNow's standard request management, the audit trail is automatic. The KPIs are built in, and every completed request is one more data point for improving your process. At Mobiz, we turn lifecycle complexity into scalable architecture.